how are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, what is your name and where are you from?
I'm Tsanta. I'm from Madagascar.
The experience here, we meet, connect, and then you tell us what you do.
So the experience here is very rich of new things, and also there are a lot of inspiring people over Africa that's sharing different things that can really help each countries and to develop. And I really appreciate seeing how innovative young people are doing.
Nice. So tell us what you do, what is your business?
I'm a UGC creator, content creator of tech. I'm doing video editing and videography, which I work with different brands and showcase some technology, and I try to bring the technology with over people on Africa, because most of the community, and I want to bring it with the African audience. So are into technologies in Africa, and all of us needs to know also about these brands that can work with Africans and can also share what it can offers us. Like for example, keyboards.
Keyboards for
For students, worker, there are keyboards that we are sponsorizing, which very few brands from outside are shipping or bringing into Africa. And I want them to know that the African people are also into these things. They need it, and I want them to see us and to know that.
some advice or share with them what you have learned so far. Just so some advice to them.
First of all, I will say you will always fail, like many times at the beginning, but never give up. Keep going, because if you give up at the first time, you will never know that later you have a reward, and you will be proud of yourself that you were through a lot of things, but you made it. And also trying to connect on the digital marketing, which is very yeah.
So you stay here in Rwanda?
Yes.
You're a student.
No, I'm not a student.
You working with?
I'm a freelancer.
Oh, you're a freelancer.
Yes,
Right. So how is Rwanda so far?
Rwanda is very beautiful.
How long have you been here?
I've been here 8 years now.
Oh, thank you.